we wanted to understand what kind of visualization can actually help us give more insight. And one source of inspiration was actually the GitHub homepage. This globe here is an interactive globe of all commits that are committed in different parts of the world. You could hover over them and see where they're heading, as well as who made that commit. This was the sort of visualization that we thought would be very useful for flight data. You're even provided the height of the density of commits made it in that region. In a similar manner, we could probably use it for airports. We can understand the density of the flights entering and leaving that specific airport, as well as understand the trajectory. And this is what we set out to accomplish. There was a very nice blog article written by GitHub to implement this, as well as learn about the different graphics features, which was a big learning curve for us. And coming to the dataset, we decided to use Aviation Stack for our source of data, and their API provides an amazing collection of real-time datasets for all the flights from almost 13,000 airlines in 250 countries, and we can understand their track and display this in the beautiful manner that GitHub did. So this is how we set out to accomplish our project. Now following up, let's go to our demo.
This is the thing that you're going to see when you first go to our website. This sphere is the globe, and the white parts is the land. And all those dots are the physical locations of all the airports on Earth. And as you can see, whenever our mouse hovers on a dot, it shows us the name for that airport. And if you want to know more information about the airport, you can simply click the airport, and it will take a while for our website to access a remote API. And then we'll get the information for the airport, such as the name of the airport, the number of arrival and departure flights, the current weather at the airport, and also the local time at the airport. As you can probably see, after we click on the airport, there are a few lines showing up from the map. So basically, each line represents a flight coming in or going out from that airport. And when we hover our mouse on a line, we'll be able to see more information about that flight. We can even click on that flight, and here we'll show a small box, and it will tell us more information about the flight, such as the name of the airline, the destination, the arrival, and also the status, the departure and arrival time, and also the length of delay. Well, now we know that we can click on a dot to select an airport. We can also select an airport by using the search box. Let's say if you want to search the San Francisco International Airport, we can click the search button, and we wait for the API call to finish. Yeah, now we have selected the San Francisco Airport. As you can see, this airport is much more popular. It has many more arrival and departure flights. This is also indicated by the height of the cylinder. As you can see, the cylinder represents the San Francisco International Airport is pretty high. This represents it has many more flights coming in and going out from the airport. And if you want to know more information about, let's say, this flight, we can click on it. Okay, and we now know that this flight is from Air New Zealand and a bunch of other useful information. So we really hope that this app can help our user to explore more airports that they want, and also know where they can go from that airport.
Okay, so I'll briefly talk about the technical stack we use in our project. So our project uses entirely React.js for the coding, and it's entirely a front-end code that compile as a JavaScript, and then we push it to the Heroku website to host. And for this UI framework, like the search bar you are seeing, we are using the End design. And for the globe here, what we use is a React component called React Globe.gl, which is based on the 3.js web graphics library. So it enables us to draw these hex polygons and also these points very easily to display the information we want. And that's basically what we have for the entire tech stack. And in the future, what we aim for our project is that we're hoping to support even more airports, because right now we are filtering out a lot of them due to performance issues. And we also want to find out a better way to gather the flight aviation data, as right now the API provider we are using has a certain limitation in terms of the numbers of the API calls we can make each month.